we're gonna try something for you. Since I think this is very fitting for this morning. 1, 2, 3.
In my mind, I'm going to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? And ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind? Well, I'm going to Carolina in my mind. Carrying she's a silver sun, you best walk away and watch it shining, and watch her watch the morning come. A silver tear appearing now, I'm crying, and I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. There ain't no doubt in no one's mind that love's the finest thing around. Whisper something soft and kind, and hey babe, the sky's on fire. I'm dying, and I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. And in my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? And ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind? While I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. Now dark inside and late last night, I think I might have heard the highway calling. Geese and fighting dogs that bite, and signs that might be open say I'm going, I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. And with a holy host of others standing around me now, and still I'm on the dark side of the moon, and it seems like it goes on like this forever. You must forgive me, oh darling, if I'm up and gone to Carolina in my mind.
If y'all know it, let's sing it together. Here we go.
And in my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? And ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind? While I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. Still I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. I'm gone, I'm gone. Say nice things about me, 'cause I'm gone. Gotta carry on without me. I'm gone to Carolina in my mind.
Now our common interest is like people like James Taylor in that, but see, a common interest that Mark and us have is like that old school gospel music, you know, like the Rambos, Mark.
Yeah.
You know, we co-wrote a song last year with Miss Reba Rambo, Dottie's daughter, and we'll play that for you here this morning. It goes like this right here.